Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Cardano. Once again, thank you for your continued support here across the board for CoinsKid. Everything you do to contribute towards the growth here, the sharing is caring, the messages, everything, the likes, everything, your subscription. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And thank you for letting us grow to over 90k subs on YouTube here. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So yeah, just going to dive into Cardano right now. You can see it's looking really good. I'm not going to lie to you. It's looking really, really good, okay? You've got your bullish cross, you're coming up, you're back testing, holding these EMAs, which is golden. Now, if you do start to lose EMAs, obviously you've got your breakdown target down here. This is a key level of support right here for Cardano. So if it was to start and roll, I'm not saying it will, but if it does, and you start to lose EMAs, then this is a breakdown target down here, okay? And we do have another relatively bearish kind of pattern that was forming, but hopefully it's been invalidated. You've got some kind of diamond top pattern going on here, which is a reversal pattern, by the way, for Cardano. And it's not pretty, but it's something like this, okay, where basically you've come up and you made a high and you come back down and you're sort of trading like that. But hopefully it's been invalidated because you're starting to break up out of it. Usually these are reversal patterns when you come into them and you break down and you reverse to where you came from. And we don't want that. So Cardano is very, very strong. It's showing enormous strength, okay. Yesterday we gave you a little trade. It wasn't much, but that played out. And obviously it rejected there when it got there and it's rolled back. But where's it found support? On the 20 EMA, and it's beautiful. It's looking good, okay. And also we've got a lovely indicator which I'm going to show you in a moment on the daily, but so far so good. If we can keep doing this, like I've said to you so many times now for Cardano, if you can keep doing that, what's it going to do? It's going to creep you up, creep you up, creep you up, bang, take that out, take that eye out, that level of resistance, and you're looking at that $2 plus token there for Cardano. So from here, if it was continue to appreciate, you're looking at a lovely 50%, yeah, around about 49-50% appreciation for Cardano. And it could come just as quick as that, okay. And I see a lot of people getting frustrated with Cardano and saying it's a shit coin, and comments on the video here about it's stable coin, which is funny because it has become a bit of a stable coin, and it's very frustrating and very boring. But you know what? That's confluence to the fact that you're not breaking down, and it's called consolidation, reaccumulation, it's distribution. It's brilliant, it's beautiful to see. Wyckoff accumulation, okay. Google it, look at it. You'll have a spring and it'll be out, boom, pop up. Not financial advice, but so far so good. We're holding support, which is really important on this final time frame. And then the other thing I want to show you as well, on the daily time frame here, okay, on the daily we've got this lovely, on the weekly time frame here, sorry, not the daily, I don't know why I said daily if I did say daily earlier, but on the weekly time frame here, look at this candle just here. This is the highest close ever for Cardano. This was the open, okay, not last week, week before. Look at the open, dragged us all the way down. We wicked all the way down. Look at that level of support. No, I'm buying you back up. We support you. The bull step back in, buying Cardano back up. Look at that close. That's the highest ever close for Cardano on the weekly time frame. That's golden. That's a really, really good signal for continuation right here for Cardano. I do apologise. There's a storm today in the UK. And it's blistering outside, so I apologise if you can hear that. But right now, Cardano looks mega bullish just based off the weekly candles that we've got going on here for Cardano. So as long as we can sort of now continue up like this, we're going to attack this level of resistance. We're going to get to this high probably soon. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long level of consolidation in this ascending triangle, and this is a bullish continuation pattern. You've come up into it. It's continuation. Boring, slop, chop, I know, sideways, but we've been here all through the bad times and all through the good times, and I do believe that there's more good times coming for Cardano. Okay, and that's basically Cardano. I'm still mega bullish on Cardano. I always will be. Okay, and you know we've got the fib extension price prediction down there of $7, then plus that the overextension, hopefully up towards that $18 mark in this bull run, which would be absolutely a mega for those of you involved in Cardano. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't have a crystal ball. I just say what I see. Okay, the EMAs are slightly extended, but you can see how more healthier they look now on the weekly time frame. So it's starting to look a lot more healthier. We'll look at the RSI right now. The RSI is a little bit overbought in the box still, so you could still see that appreciation like I outlined yesterday. You could just pop up here and go up to that complete overbought level there at 99 before you do start to roll over and consolidate again. So just from that you could see where you could get that extra leg up. The MACD is looking like it's got a repel there, which is really positive. It still is a little bit high, so it needs to come back down a little bit, back down to earth, but you can see the repel. Okay, do keep an eye on that MACD. If that starts to curl, that blue line, that's where you could see that sort of extra dip and potential that ABC correction. But we've been through all this consolidation sideways for 10 weeks. 10 weeks this has been going on for. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going into the 11th week of consolidation. That's 2 months. 2 months is a very long time. And, you know, I not financial advice. I'm not got a crystal ball, but we may be popping out soon. And these continuation candles here, these higher highs, closing, beautiful. And if this one now can just start to march up this week, you can see how you're going to attack and get to that target right there. Again, so that's Cardano. And for those of you that like, right, it's a shit coin, it's frustrating. I know, I'm fully aware of all that. I'm fully aware, but it's a beer moth basically, and that's why it's in the top 4. I think it's number 3 by market cap. It's not going anywhere basically. You know, it's not going anywhere. It's appreciating. It's a massive project with a lot of backing and a fantastic purpose. So yeah, don't sleep on it. This is the thing about Cardano, okay? And this is the thing about consolidation. Things go sideways. People get frustrated. They exit their positions and they jump into other projects. I've done it myself. I've been guilty of it myself. You jump into another project, and then that project that you see mooning, you know, it's gone up 40%. Oh, I'm missing out on that, and you jump out into that, and then that corrects like 20%, and all of a sudden your project you're in is took off into space, and you're like, oh no. It happens, okay? So not financial advice, but patience is virtue, especially in crypto. Consolidation events are boring, chopper. Just like I say to you, buy and go to the beach. Because if you was following CoinsKid in way back, well, we didn't even start this channel until November, but we didn't start this channel actually until around February. But you know, come the next bear run and the next bear market, because it will come, okay? Cardano, there's no denying it. The bear market will come. Cardano is going to go up into space somewhere, and then when it rolls over, we'll find the bottom. And I'll tell you, you know the bottom, okay? You know the bottom because you got this bearish cross, the bullish cross on the weekly time frame. That's your buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. That's when you buy and go to the beach. Don't look at your phone, don't look at the internet, don't look at anything. And you're 22x up already on Cardano in a bull market with more appreciation to come, in my opinion, but not financial advice. So yeah, it's all good. It's all good basically. Probably get them EMAs squeezed up a little bit, but that's not a major problem. I would expect if we had one more leg up, okay, you could potentially see the RSI go up a little bit more, go into the overbought, because you can see when it goes to that particular level, it starts to roll a little bit. Just take one more little leg up, so get a bit more confidence back into Cardano and a bit more market confidence back into Cardano, and then sort of consolidate for a bit more. It's coming, it's frustrating, I know, but it is coming. Hopefully it's all good, because we've got some nice signals there, and that candle close on the weekly, it's looking good. So yeah, it's golden. And once again, thank you for your continued support across the board here for CoinsKid. I really do appreciate everything you do. The sharing is caring. And yeah, it's all golden basically. And for those of you not seen, I will just show you quick our Elliott Wave Ethereum price predictions right now for those of you new to the channel. So effectively, you know, we've got the Fibonacci retracement, which Bitcoin and Ethereum's already at the 1.272 of its bull run. Bitcoin's already at its head on the 1618, rolled over, consolidating. So all these coins, all these mid caps and low caps, they're starting to continue in their trends. As you can see, we're having an alt season, and as they continue, then you got this price appreciation here for Cardano. So you got the Elliott Wave theory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the ABC correction potentially. If it doesn't go overextended, then the ABC correction will be up there. But who knows? Not got a crystal ball, okay? Not got a crystal ball. It's just technical analysis. They're all big what ifs, aren't they? Obviously, but we have consolidated for a long time right now on Cardano, so I do expect it to pop out relatively soon. Take care, everybody. Have a good week, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update on Cardano. Bye bye.